cultured salmon. This is my farm. Salmon farm in Alaska. Okay.
How much?
How much is the cost?
Per one salmon.
It costs like for
Cost?
each one is $150.
$150. How long it gonna grow? Ganong kalaki?
Maybe 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah.
You rent the net?
No, I bought it. Then I put it.
That's a good place, huh?
Yeah.
Good business, man. You gonna sell it to Ocean Beauty?
Yeah.
And then send it to Philippines. Ha? Walakad ka lang. Nyari, lumalak. Ayos, ah. Tayo na, matutuwa si Manny niyan. Si Danny. Uwian na ang ganon. Tapos na. Hol, tapos na?
Yeah, finish.
Finish.